Everyone knows that cannabis plants need light in order to grow. All plants need light in order to grow. Light, carbon dioxide, and water are the three ingredients necessary for photosynthesis. So the process of photosynthesis is actually looked at as a quantum mechanics type solution that the plants have figured out evolutionarily over eons. The sun gives off light in a ratio of roughly 43% visible spectrum, about 50% far red, infrared spectrum, and then on the shorter wavelength, about 1% gamma radiation and X-rays. What this means is that plants have developed to utilize full spectrums of light that are outside of our visual spectrum. And cannabis plants in recent years have been grown primarily using LED lights, fluorescent lights, even in their vegetative state, which sacrifice far red light as it emits an awful lot of heat. And they do that in order to focus on red and blue wavelengths, specifically somewhere around the 440 nanometer for blue light and 660 nanometer for red light. And when emphasizing these blue and red lights, you might be giving the plant something that it does need, but you are leaving out something that it's used to actually receiving. And so what we were starting to see with more modern research is that these light spectrums actually affect the morphology of the plants. So when you are emphasizing blue spectrums in vegetative states, you're trying to make your plants more squat, you're trying to decrease the internode length. And we actually see when you add red and green light into there, you can actually increase the surface area of the leaves. So they may be more efficient at energy processing and be able to better perform their photosynthetic requirements with those greater leaf sizes by offering a greater spectrum of light. So, phytochromes are photoreceptors that help regulate flowering. They are red and far red sensing photoreceptors. Cytochromes and phototrims are regulated mainly by blue and green wavelengths. And short wavelength radiation or irradiation has been shown to actually increase your plant's defense mechanisms by inducing various metabolic activities, producing phenolic compounds, and those have been shown historically to aid in plants' self-defense mechanisms. So, additionally, when we're talking about wavelengths, we are influencing the cannabinoid content of those plants.